当我骗小老外吃了活珠子。
嗨，今天的吃饭中国呢，我们依然在成都。老粉都知道，卢卡之前有个大门牙呀坏死了。今天呢，我们先去他换个新的，然后开启我们今天的整蛊活动。换完牙的卢卡呀，兴奋极了，走哪都要露出他的大门牙给别人看。
China getting your teeth fixed is so cheap. In the United Kingdom, for me to get this fixed, it would be around £3,000.
You think it's cheap?
It's cheap, I think.
现在卢卡呀是越来越难骗了，所以说我买了点他爱吃的，然后打算跟他玩一个门脸猜物游戏，然后再骗他吃完磨鸡蛋，看他会有什么反应呢？Plan your eye, plan your eye.
Not too tight, alright?
Okay. 今天我给他准备了兔腿、兔头、猪蹄、馍馍、毛鸡蛋。Look, not good is too
No. Otherwise I'll see.
The left to the right. Yeah.
I feel like a stick. It's spicy. A little bit of sesame and a little bit spicy. Maybe a rabbit? Or maybe a duck? I think rabbit. Wait.
The second.
I think I was wrong the first time. It has fun teeth.
卢卡才装上新门牙，不太敢啃，大家理解一下。
Tastes like a duck. Yeah, I think it was duck. Good. It has fun teeth. Where's the next one?
Here is a third one. Here is soup.
Oh, I think I know what this is.
What?
Oh, I think I know what that is. Pig teeth.
How you know that?
Because pig teeth is my favorite stuff. I know that.
Try this.
Is it like a pig butt? It's Chinese bread.
Yeah. Okay. You are so smart. The last one.
What is that? It's egg. It smells like tea egg. You know, this flavor is like not like, but it has like a strong flavor of a tea egg. But also it's kind of like meat.
Yeah.
I'm confused a little, but it's so good. I just want to eat it and eat it.
Let's do it. You said it tastes good. 我操完了。
You think that's funny, huh? You think that is funny, huh?
No.